This is Mech 350 final project. I'll be performing a closed loop feedback where I maintain a CPU at a constant temp by using a fan for convective cooling. My analogous system over here is represented here by this TMP36 temperature sensor, which is representing the temperature of the CPU chip. I also have an LED, which is representing the fan, as I did not have a fan to be powered by my Arduino. So basically, when the LED is off, that's simulating that the fan would be off, and if the LED is on, that's simulating that the fan would be running. In addition to that, I also have the serial monitor here, which pumps out temperature readings in degrees Celsius, degrees Fahrenheit, and also indicates whether the fan is off or is on, which corresponds to the LED being off or on. As you can see right now, the LED is off, indicating that the system is detecting that the indicated reference value for a temperature that I have set up here at 85 degrees is not being exceeded. Thus, if the sensor were to go over 85 degrees, the fan would kick on, thus the LED would kick on, and then the system would continue to run the fan until the temperature was no longer greater than 85 degrees, which is the desired temp. Right now, the actual temp C is represented on the screen right now as 80 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's less than 85. So you can see if I apply some input heat, which would be analogous to the chip heating up, the LED came on, and you can see the temperature now is above 85. It's 88 degrees. Now if I remove the heat, the system should respond by cooling. This is the LED on is representing the fan being on. So while that cools down, I'll talk about my code a little bit. So you can see here in the code, basically what I do is I gather an analog read value from the sensor pin of the temperature sensor. Oh, there it did. It just kicked off, and now we can check. It is now below the reference value of 85 degrees. It is back down to 81. Anyway, so back to the code. I read a temperature value through the voltage of the temperature sensor. Then I compare that to the minimum temperature I can set, and I can set that at any temperature I want. And if it exceeds it, then that will kick on the fan. In my case, I went ahead and just used, like I said, an LED to represent the fan, as I did not have one. So I used if statements to compare the temperature actual to the temperature min, and if it was over it, I would turn the LED onto high. So, alright, thanks.